everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some stretch bracelets, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some stretch bracelets. You're going to need a pair of scissors, you're going to need your elastic, some clear nail polish, and today I'm using a design board, but you don't have to use one of these. The main thing is that your bracelet measures 7 3/4 inch. And of course you need your beads. So today we are using pink, and we are going to use some white. Okay, so we're gonna just start laying out our beads. So how about we do pink, and then we'll do light pink, metallic pink, and then 2 light pink, and then a white. And we'll just do that all the way around. So I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me place my beads. So I'm going to let you go. You go pick out your beads and decide your design and meet me back. Okay, so this is the design I've come up with. So I'm just going to move my beads out of the way. And now we're going to go to the elastic. Okay, so this is an important part of the elastic part, which is you have to pre-stretch your elastic. A lot of people don't know that they need to do this, and then they'll make a bracelet and they'll wonder why it sags after time. And this is why. You need to pre-stretch your elastic. This also will let you know beforehand if you have a flaw in your elastic, because it'll just snap. Okay, so I leave the elastic on the spool, and I pick one and I just start stringing them. Okay, now bear with me, I'm working around a camera. There we go. And I leave it on the spool, and then we're just I'm gonna do a section so that you see what I mean. And if you're new to jewelry making, quite often when you're doing anything with metal or even with thread or elastic, you'll talk about things in sections, and it's just the section that contains the pattern, right? So this is one section for me. There we go. So see? Isn't that cute? Okay, so now I'm going to spend my time and string the rest of the beads. I'm not going to make you watch me do that because that would be incredibly boring. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So you do the same thing, meet me back. Okay, so we're back and I have all my beads strung. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a knot. So we are going to do a basic knot, hand over knot, and then for the next one, we're going to go hand over once, 1 wrap, and then 2 wraps, okay? Then we're going to bring that down tight. We're going to pull it tight on this end, and we're going to pull it tight from that end, okay? Now we're going to take our scissors, and we're going to leave, can you see? We're leaving about that much. Now comes our nail polish. We're going to go to our knot. We're going to put a dab of nail polish on the knot, okay? Then I have to close my polish lid because I'm clumsy, and we know that it's going to go flying if I don't close it. Okay, so now we're going to take that knot and we're going to pop it into a bead. There we go. There we go. It's popped into a bead. Oh, maybe we'll have to pop it into 2 beads. I guess I left my tails a bit long. There we go. And that, my friends, is your finished bracelet. Isn't it adorable? So check that description because I put lots of goodies in my description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. The more people I have watching, that means the more tutorials I can do, right? I try and do new tutorials every Tuesday, so watch for them. And yeah, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.